guys? Right now we about to go to Starbucks. I'm about to get a bagel with cream cheese. And everyone says Starbucks is expensive, but there's ways to minimize your costs on certain things. And Cash App has like a 10% like discount code. I know 10% ain't much, but it says a 10% discount. So whatever, we're gonna take it. And we're gonna get a bagel and we're gonna get back to work. Starbucks. Ooh, the place. All right, guys, so I made a mistake. It's 5%. And not only that, you have to use your Cash App card. So to get the discount, I guess you can't use cash because I think it's all digital. Now I gotta walk to the vehicle and get my Cash App card. You know what I'm saying? Early morning, the big Y's coming along great. We still gotta do a lot of work here, guys, but it's daily progress. You know, it's coming along good, and they brought the right person for the right job here. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Razziigrows. So this is what I need to get the little Starbucks discount. So we're going back. And that's the drive-through. We're going in. We are going in. Let's get it. This is why I didn't leave a tip. I wanted the cream cheese on the bagel. I gotta get a job to get done. I'm like behind schedule. You know what I'm saying? So now I gotta put on my own cream cheese. And that's gonna take 2 minutes on my day. So yeah, that's what, you know. I'm glad I didn't leave a tip, because if I would have left a tip, they still probably would have done this. So guys, Starbucks, you guys gotta do a better job of your service. I know they was busy in there and stuff, but come on, man. There's other people that gotta do their job too. Like now, you know, whatever. We still setting up shop, getting ready to get the days done. But man, wow. I'm not gonna lie. The bagel tastes good. It tastes good.